Hi everyone. Good afternoon. So for today, I will be your teacher and my name is Teacher Mira. Teacher Mira. So it's your turn. Can you please tell me, all of you, what is your name? Can I hear it? Oh, what a beautiful name! So, before we start, um, um, before I forgot, I am from batch 12, group 2, evening session. Okay? So for today, I will teach you on how to pronounce the phonics sound of letter A to letter E. So later on, while I am teaching you on how to pronounce the phonics sounds of letter A to letter E, you will see at my sides, left and right, some examples for each letter for you to help to remind the different sounds of each letter. So later on, just like what I said earlier, you will see some example at my sides. Some examples of each letter. Okay, so let's start. So the first letter from the alphabet is letter A. So this is how you write the capital letter A and the lowercase a. And A, it sounds like ah, ah, ah. Okay, so it's your turn, guys. Can I hear it? Oh, good job. So A, it sounds like ah, ah, ah. And our first example for letter A is ah, ah, apple. Ah, ah, apple. Okay? And the second one is alligator. Alligator. Okay? And the next letter is letter B. Letter B. So this is how you write the capital letter B and the lowercase b. And letter B, it sounds like look at my mouth. And our first example for letter B is bags. Bags. Okay? And our second example for letter B is bed. Bed. Okay? And the third letter for alphabet in the alphabet is letter C. And this is how you write the capital letter C and the lowercase c. So, and C, it sounds like k, k, k. Okay, look at my mouth. K, k, k. Okay, and our first example for letter C is k, k, cat. K, k, cat. Okay, and our next example for letter C is cap. Cap. Okay? So, the fourth letter from the alphabet is letter D. Letter D. So, this is how you write the capital letter D and the lowercase d. Okay? And D, it sounds like D, D, D. Okay? D, D, D. Okay? And our first example for letter D is D, D, dog. D, D, dog. Okay? And our next example for letter D is D, D, doll. D, D, doll. Okay? So, before we move in our last and fifth letter from the alphabet, let's recall the sounds of letter A to letter D. Okay? So, letter A, it sounds like ah, ah, ah. And letter B, it sounds like B, B, B. And letter C, it sounds like K, K, K. And letter D, it sounds like D, D, D. Okay? So, the fifth and last letter that we are going to pronounce is letter E. E. So, this is how you write the capital letter E and the lowercase e. And E, it sounds like eh, 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 eh. Okay? Can you, it's your turn, guys. So, can I hear it from you? Oh, good job. So, the sounds of letter E is eh, 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 eh. And our two example for letter E is the first one. Eh, eh, egg. Eh, eh, egg. And the last example for letter E is eh, eh, elephant. Eh, eh, elephant. Okay? So, that's all for today, guys. So, I hope you enjoy it and learn and you learn from it, and I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. And all of you guys, you are all good job. Thank you for listening to Teacher Mira, and have a nice day. Bye everyone.